My dear love, I can't learn how to say goodbye to you with weak fingers and pain in my heart. It's unbelievable that today I've learned to stay with our beloved kids without you coming home again. I mourn my love. I've cried until no more. I'll miss you. I'll miss you and your love of my life forever until we meet again. But I promise to gather my strength for the sake of our children. I hope in the spirit world you'll inspire me to stand as a pillar to our children. I promise to make them smile in your honor. I'll make you happy all the time. We have been planning for a big day to tie our knots in colorful wedding ceremony in April 2024. But God's plans are greater. I'll still make my vows of love even in your rest. When your star was growing to be the brightest, God used you. You've been the best husband and father to our children. I'll clearly miss your company. We'll smile again till we meet again, my love. Dance with angels. Bye. Rest in peace.
I will read on behalf of the children, Caleb and Precious. Dear Dad, we still cannot believe you have left us. We will always remember and love you. You've left a big void in our lives, and life will never be the same again. You will always be in our thoughts, prayers, and in our hearts. We love you, Daddy.